Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. I'm going to tell you my original novel tonight, The Reflection of the Kingdom. I hope you enjoy it. In the distant era of the Middle Ages, a legendary world filled with kingdom conflicts, knightly honor, and the game of power thrived. This tale unfolds in a kingdom named Valorak, nestled amid majestic mountains, with vast lands and splendid castles. Chapter 1: The Sun of Destiny. In the kingdom of Valorak, the first rays of morning sunlight pierced through the high walls of the royal castle, casting a gentle glow upon the green grass in the courtyard. Knights in shining armor sparred diligently, their swords clashing in the soft morning light. Among them, one knight stood out: Austin. Austin, tall and robust, possessed golden hair and piercing blue eyes. He was renowned as one of Valorak's most distinguished knights, celebrated for his fearlessness and unwavering honor. However, behind his remarkable exterior, a deep curiosity gnawed at his heart. Raised by a widow, Austin had been told he was an abandoned orphan with no family. Yet, his appearance and innate talents didn't quite align with his humble background. He had always felt there was a profound mystery surrounding his origins, and his heart yearned for the truth. One fateful day, a wise wizard by the name of Aaron arrived at the royal castle. This wizard had been an enigmatic figure in stories Austin had heard during his childhood, and was, in fact, his spiritual mentor, silently watching over his growth from afar. Aaron, a wizard with profound wisdom and magical powers, had eyes as tranquil as a still pond, brimming with sagacity. He approached Austin and spoke in hushed tones. "Austin, your lineage is not as you have long believed. You bear the blood of the royal house, and you are the son of destiny in this kingdom." Austin's heart swelled with intense emotion, his eyes widening in disbelief. Aaron went on to tell him a shocking story, one that revealed Austin's birth and subsequent disappearance, orchestrated by a malevolent plan aiming to erase his existence. As Aaron explained, Austin was the legitimate son of King Benjamin, but shortly after his birth, the king's enemies kidnapped him, endeavoring to eliminate the future heir to the throne. Fortunately, Austin had survived and been carried away to a distant village by a loyal servant, with a widow as his foster mother. Austin took a deep breath, his heart filled with complex emotions. This abrupt revelation plunged him into profound contemplation. He realized that his mission was no longer that of a mere knight. He now had to seek the truth, unveil the mysteries of his lineage, and ensure the kingdom's peace. Aaron cautioned, "Austin, you must seek the truth and unravel the kingdom's conspiracies. You are the kingdom's only hope. But be wary, the king will not make your task an easy one." With a resolute nod, Austin's goals became clear. He decided to depart from the royal castle, in pursuit of the truth, the enigma of his lineage, and, above all, to protect the kingdom's tranquility. This grand medieval adventure was only just beginning, and Austin would face more challenges and adventures in the days to come.